open your thing. What lab number? Lab number 8. Okay, you did homework on summation. Okay, how about read number and add them up? Alright, let's review. Keep reading number and then add them together. Okay, some user values, some user number. Top. Oh, okay. Make lab 8. Okay. Okay, keep reading the number and add them up. Okay, if they give you a number, keep adding. Tut, 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 tut. Okay, answer start from 0. Okay, what we do? Yeah, you're gonna read number from user. Okay, read X. Okay. Oh, okay, we do argument after it. Okay, we do argument after it. We do argument later. Okay, and after we read, Y what? Y what? Y $X is let's say greater than 0. Okay. Y what? Y do. Okay. Y do done. Okay. What we do? Add them up. Answer equal $parentheses $answer plus what? $X, right? Okay. And then keep reading, right? Read a new X. Okay, at the end, equal. Okay, summation of all numbers is answer. Keep reading. Oi, how many 0, 0? Okay, 6, 8, 4, 7, minus 1. up 25. Okay. Sometimes we are lazy. We just make input. Okay. 45, 32. Wait. 2, 30, 44. Dee-dee-doo, dee-dee, dee, dee-dee. Minus 1. Okay. Because we are too lazy. So we jump and redirect input, right? Good. 550. Oh yeah, 10, 30. Oh yeah, 550. Done. Dũng and Ned, Pet. Dũng, hey Pet. Not here. Where is Green? Green is not here. Maybe I take your attendance. Ui, forgot. What day is it today? It's March 22nd. Ah, okay. Color which? Here, is there? No. Got that. Got that? No. Chặt cà bốp? Không. Chị là trái? No. Chị là chia? Okay, chia ní? Saya pat? No. Saya lat? No. Nạ pat? No. Lát chia? Chặt cà bốp? Okay. Đấy, lát chia. Show me her face. Lát chia. No. Okay, not Nali. Okay. Napat. Okay. Napat, come here. Okay, tell them who I can see, who I cannot see. See that? No. I tell you that I can see only up until this. I cannot see that side. If they don't show the face, I cannot take a film. Okay. Natia. Okay. Natanon. No. Natanon Pantani. How come you have his name two times? Oh, Natanan. Natanan. Nan or non? Nan. Okay. Okay. Tin. Okay. Thốt. No thốt. Tatawan Lin. Okay. Tanyapon. No. Nalawish. No. Bantali. Right, Bantali. That Bantali? No, that's not Bantali. Piyatida. Oh, that Bantali too? Okay, Bantali. Piyatida. Okay. Posnija. No. Pachalapon. Pilataj. No. Ponicha. Oh, okay, Ponicha. Pilataj, Satan. Win. Is it win? No. Panasmith. Phương Phú. Patalakan. No. Pathon. Okay, Wongsathon. Salan. Salan Chốt.สุภวิทย์สมเลิกสาวรักษ์อภิอติภาบันตลีพรเทพพัฒนันติยาพัฒน์สุรัตน์รัชการรัชการโอเคถาดันดอนโอเคปานโอเคอภิชยาโอเคชุงเก่งเชงชุงกงเชงโอเคเจียมิงเบียน no เวียนเทนวูแอนโทนีโอเค okay today you don't have to send me the work okay so I wish you don't never send me the work okay so we will check this one for your score for today okay you finish the program or not I check from here okay all right okay what next okay this is to read from the user input okay how about to read from the argument command line argument $1, $2. The question is, if it's arbitrary amount, how could we know? Okay, there is $n. If I remember. Okay, try $n. Okay, okay, let me change this one in version 2. Okay, copy sum to be sum argument Okay. Okay. Some argument, okay, will not use the read. Okay, we'll get from the $1, $2, $3. Okay. Okay, let's say I have $I. Oops. Okay. I equal 1. Okay, so now I gotta keep reading as long as my $I is still less than or equal $N. Okay, $N can be used to determine how many, the amount, okay, of argument, okay, from the argument that pass to the command line. Okay. Okay, and then you keep adding from $1, $2. Or you can try to print $N. Okay, equal. Okay, so it's gonna be I is supposed to be increased, right? I plus 1. Okay. That's what? N? No more read. That's what? Okay, do by yourself. What do you think? Dollar answer plus dollar what? It used to be $1, $2, $3, right? Now it's gonna be vary. Dollar what? Because right now it's gonna be keep changing. Hmm?
So the way the while was set up, you're saying as long as I is less than
The total?
10,
Mm-hmm.
but isn't $n, isn't that each individual value, not the number of
I think that $N is the amount, is it? I think $N is the amount. Okay, let me try
That's what
first.
I'm wondering, is $N
$N is the amount.
n's, or is it
I think $N is the amount.
given n?
The amount of the argument. Okay, let me try. Okay. Okay, let's see. 5, 4, 88. Oop. Ding, 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 ding. Ooh, then $N. Hey, what is that one? 9, 4. Oh, dollar sharp. Dollar sharp. Dollar sharp, sorry, dollar sharp, not $N. Dollar sharp. Boop. Okay. Here, dollar sharp is to show the number of arguments. So here is why I is less than dollar sharp. Oops. Is dollar sharp. question is, what should we add to answer? Dollar answer plus $1, $2, $3. How could we get that one? Dollar I. Dollar I would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's supposed to be dollar of dollar I. Okay. Say for example, maybe ARG equal dollar I. Dollar plus, hey. One, two, three. $1. $1, $2, $3. Equal dollar I. And then how can I get the value of dollar I? I forgot. Forgot. Equal dollar okay pizza okay something like this get the argument of I. Okay, this one they change I to 1 and then get the dollar of that value of I. It's not dollar I, but they change this 1 into the value of I first, which is 1, and then they get the dollar of 1. My result is correct or not? Let me see one more time. 97, good. Okay, so you use the curly bracket exclamation point I. I want to get the exclamation point I change into the value of I, but I want to concatenate with dollar. Evaluate dollar of that one, which is changed to 1. Okay, so for this case, you can have any amount of arguments. Okay, you can pass 4 arguments. Okay, and then they add them up. It's up to the dollar sharp, not dollar n, sorry. Dollar sharp is to show the number of arguments. Actually, there is a limit amount of arguments. I had to put a lot, it won't work. I think if I remember, it's only 10. If I put like a lot. Is it? Oh, more than 10? I thought only 10. 14 arguments. Maybe. Oh, I thought I limit only 10. 25 arguments. Ah, okay, so this one could be vary, okay, according to the user argument. Okay, and okay, finish is one. Yes, finish, hard. let's see now. Okay, we're gonna run this one and put the result in a file. Okay. Okay. Let's say this program name some argument. Okay, so we're gonna write another script to run read one and put result in the file. Okay. Okay, so vi sum to file. Okay. In sum to file, we will call sum. In sum to file, we will call sum argument. Whatever we want to put. Okay, and then we put the result in the file. Okay. One more thing. Okay. Before that, try to do this. Echo dollar star. Echo dollar star. Okay, I try to run it. Echo dollar star. 1 to 5. No such file directory. What in my file name? Some arguments with the F, sorry. Some arguments. Wait. The dollar star. Okay. Here if I call sum to file, I type 5973. Boop. This is the sum argument. Sorry. Dollar star. Dollar one show argument one. Dollar sharp show amount. Dollar star show them all. Okay, we can see all the argument via that one. Okay. So here we can do this one. Instead of doing that, we're gonna pass the dollar star in here. Okay. This one will call some argument. Script. Okay, so when we call, we're going to call that script, but passing all the dollar star. Okay, so here if I pass 597, we're going to pass 597 to the script some argument. And script some argument going to write this result. Are you with me? Okay. Understand? Okay. Now let's say if people keep calling this program sum to file, I want you to store this result into a file. How could we write this result, the one that you just saw here, into a file? Output. Into a file. Okay. Okay, good. They call redirect output. Okay. Let's say my output file. Okay. So here instead of showing it, they're gonna show to my output file. Okay. So here I run this, they're not gonna see anything. But you look at the my output file here, the result. Okay, and if I run again, okay, with let's say 3 arguments. Boop. Okay, and now my output file have these 3 arguments. Okay. And if I want to append, what should I do to append? To append. Double. Okay, double. Good. Okay. It is to append. Okay, 9. Boop. You look at this one now, append. Okay. 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 Okay, let's see, for example, okay, just for fun. Okay, let's see if this is the first time. Okay, I'm gonna write something. Okay, if this is the first time, I'm gonna say something on the top and then put the data in. If it's the second time, or maybe I can write the number of times that we keep. Oh, they don't know how many times. Okay, if the first time I write something to say this is what on the top, just like the header of the file. If you say write for run, not write. If you run for the second time, we're not going to add header anymore. Okay. So then let's say that my header is, for example, okay, this is a file to, okay, this is an, okay, append that file to store the summation. Okay. Okay. But if I do this, would this one store in the result? Maybe I'm going to show on our screen. I want to write this one in the file. How can I write this sentence into a file? Okay. I redirect output. Okay. I redirect into, okay, maybe the first time, okay, my output file. Okay. Okay, and then I append this one later on. Okay. Let's see, for example. Okay, if I run this one, okay, let's say 597, my output file gonna have this. Okay, here, this is an append file. Okay, into my file. Okay. But what I want is that if I run this one for the second time, I want to keep the result of my summation in append mode. I don't want to write this one for the second time, third time, fourth time. But I keep adding only this one. Really append only this result. Only the first time I'm going to do this. Okay, to be able to do that, okay, in Linux script, okay, there is some kind of test that allows to test whether it is the file that never exits or not. If it is a new file never exits, okay, then you're going to do this. Wait. Okay, you're going to do this. Okay, if the file already exits, you're going to do only this. Okay. Okay, so in Linux, you can test whether the file already exits or not. How to test? If, right? If, okay, there is, okay, where to test the file, use -f. That F is used to test, return true if there is a file. Okay, if it's not true, then you can no file. Okay. Okay, so here if there is a file, let's say our file name my output file. Okay, if I have this file before, if and then, right? Then I gonna do this summation. Let me get some arguments, passing all the argument. Okay, and then write output to my output file. Okay, else if there is no this file before, then I gonna echo and then do this. Okay, what the end of if? Fi, if, fi. Okay, you can test whether we already have a file, that file in the directory or not. If there is that file, then we do something. Okay, for this case, we're gonna test if I already have this file, I gonna run and append only. Okay, but if I never have this file before, I'm gonna put this one on the top of the file. Okay, and then after that, I'm gonna append with this execution. Okay, all right, try it. Sum to 5, okay, sum to 5, 257, Perp. Let's see the result, my output file. See, it's not going to write this one the second time. Okay, again, if I run it again, okay, 111. Okay, whoop, 111 down there, but I'm not going to write it one again, because the file already exit. If the file exit, I run this, okay, some argument only. Okay, now let's say if I don't have this my output file, okay, I remove my output file. Okay, and I run this one for the first time. Okay, 2. Okay, it is my first time that I have my output file, but I just remove. Right. Boop, here, they're going to have this one on the top. Okay, and if I run my sum again, 3, 5, 3, the second time, and later on, okay, I'm not going to have this sentence on the top. Just append with it. Understand? Okay. So in other words, dash F can be used, okay, to test whether the file or the exit. If the file or the exit, okay, then you do something. It returns true if file or the exit. Okay. Okay. Can I change it? Okay. Understand it one first? Okay. Can I have this one to be argument? $1? And then user can choose any file name that they want. Okay. If I change that one to be $1. Okay. Okay. Now user can type any file name they want. Oh, hold on. $1 will be this one, because we want to pass that. Otherwise, that would be the file name. The argument I want to add. It's gonna mix too much. Okay, don't do that. Maybe we can read the file from user, or get the argument, and then you have to split argument. The first argument will be the file name. Second, third, fourth will be something else, and then you concatenate. Okay. But anyway, let me don't do that, otherwise it's going to be a little bit complex. Okay. You can test the permission of the file if you like. You can test whether this user who run this program, okay, has permission on read or write or not. Okay, by using -r-w. Okay, for example, okay, let me do another one. Okay, another test. Okay, ls. Okay, let me create one file. Okay, file 2. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, okay, and then I make my file to ch mode to be, let's say, read only. What is read only? For this file for myself. Okay, owner 4. Okay, 4. Maybe 440. Okay, I can read. Other people can read. Like the group outside cannot read. Okay, 452. Okay. Okay, now let's say here the permission of my file 2. I cannot write on file 2. Okay, so let's say if, okay, I want to do similar program. Okay, sum to file. cp sum to file to be sum to file sum to write table file. Okay, I cannot sum to the file that I am writable or not. I am only writable. If the file that I am not writable, I will not sum. Okay. Okay, sum to writable file. Okay, the same program. Okay, but here I'm gonna check first whether this file I have the writable permission or not. Okay. Okay, for example, okay, let's say I'm gonna test with my file 2. Okay, because my file 2 I have no permission, right, to write. Okay, if I do only this to test whether there is a file 2. Oops, sorry. Okay, this is sum to writable file is executable. Okay, so I do sum to writable file 589. Boop. Oh, more file 2. See, I don't write anything to my. Oh, I didn't change. Sorry, I supposed to change my file 2. Okay, sorry. Okay, so here there is a file 2. Now I'm gonna write to. Sorry, I forgot to change here. Okay, I'm gonna write to file 2. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna write to file 2 if I can. Okay, the same program. Okay, now I'm gonna write to file 2. Try to write to file 2. Okay, I change from the my output file to file 2. Okay, now I try to run it. Change your file 2 to be no writable. Okay. Okay, so here I have no permission to write on my file 2, as an example. Okay, so if I run my sum to writable file, boop, I'm gonna get this error. Okay, because I have no permission to write to the file 2. Okay, so here, if I don't want to get the permission error, I should check first whether I have the right permission or not. If I don't have the right permission, I should not try to do this. Okay. So for this example, I can test, okay, not only whether it's a file, I can test, okay, whether I have writable on file 2. If my file 2, I have the writable permission, then I'm going to come in here. Or actually, I should test there is a file or not the first time. Right? I should check. And now that I'm going to write it too. I should not use and, because it is this, then this. If I put and, then this one should have an and too, if you want to do that. I mean, you should check too. Okay, you want to do that? Okay, if it's writable, okay, wait, that F file 2, what is and again? What is the and again? And? I don't think and is the and. Okay, something A. That's A. Okay, good. That's A. If I have file 2 and file 2 has the permission to write, I do this. Okay. I have else and else if. Right? Else if my file 2 here. First one is a file 2 already and have permission to write. If I have both, then I append without the word this is an append file. Okay, but if it's not the one on top, but it still have writable, but never have file before, then I do the bottom. Okay, let me try. Syntax error. Line 9. Else, if, I don't have else. Dear God. Else. Okay, echo. Can do nothing. Cannot do anything. Else. Oh, not because of else, because of then. Because of then, not else. Because it is an if here. If, then. Yeah, cannot do anything. Okay? Because I have no permission on file 2. Are you with me? Understand? Okay, so let's say if I change my program to have permission, chmod, let's say 700 on file 2. Now I have permission. Right? And now you run the same program, sum to write, okay, let's say 555. Boop. Okay. Now my file 2 will be, whoop. Oh, I already have something on top. 2, 3. I should not have the 2, 3. Okay, let me delete the content of file 2. Okay, let me remove file 2 okay 6 ปุ๊บ did the first time my file 2 oh I don't have file 2 I should not do it. The logic is wrong. Because this one implies that I should have file 2 already with the right permission. I should put this one in the else. Sorry. Else. And then I put the if. Can I have nested? Maybe. If it no file, I'm going to create the file. Oh, you know file, there is no permission. If it no file, I'm going to create the file. Okay. If it no file, I cannot do it anyway. Because no file, it means no permission for sure. If right permission okay, for this case I think I intend to okay, if it no file I gonna make this one okay to write on the top and append to this file. Because if it no file okay okay let me put only this much. Okay, if I have a file and I don't have right permission, I cannot do this. I don't think I need to test this one. To need to get the right permission. File 2, if I remove file 2. Here I have file 2. File 2 I have the top. Okay. And then if I run this one again, okay, now my file 2 gonna have append. Okay, run this file again. Okay, keep appending. Okay, until if I change mode this one to 4. Okay, or file 2. Now I change to 4. It means I read only. Okay, now I try to run this one again. Okay. No right permission. Okay. should split it like this. Then if I have the right permission, then I'm gonna do this. If I never have a 5, then I do this. If there is a 5 with the right permission, I do this. If there is a 5 but no right permission, I'm not going to do anything. There is no 5, I do this. Okay, I think this logic should be like this. Okay, let me remove 5, 2 again. Oh. Okay, Oops. If I never have a 5, 2 before, okay, let me remove again. If I never have 5, 2, if I run this, okay, now I'm going to create 5, 2 with the top of the 5, you have that word, this is a pen, okay, and then later on, if I run this one again with the right permission on 5, 2, it will be a pen. Keep running, it will be a pen. Okay, until I change mode to 4, no right permission. Okay, and then if I run this one again with no right permission, now it's not supposed to write add anymore. Okay. Okay, again. Okay, if there is a 5, then I check whether I have right permission. If I have right permission, I can write. Okay. Else here, if there is no 5, I'm gonna create it for the first time. Let's suppose. Okay. If no 5, I'm gonna create for the first time. Okay. But if there is a 5 but no right permission, I'm not gonna do anything. If it's a new 5, we allow to create. Understand? But if there is a 5 with no right permission, then I will not cause some arguments. Understand? Okay. All right. 7 o'clock. Actually, I just teach you array and then running out of time. Okay, but this is a good thing about this script. Okay, you can test thing about the file because file is a basic object in the OS. Okay, so this allow you to, okay, number one, you use redirect output. You can create a file. You can write to the file. Okay, and number two, in terms of OS, they allow you to check the file. Okay, whether there is a file or whether you have permission on read and write on the file. Okay, because all this is belong to the OS. OS should give you some kind of scripting command to check to test. Okay, next time we do array and we should finish the Linux script. Okay. Okay, you don't have to, I mean, usually you don't do anything. Okay, I already check your attendance. Okay, I mean your work, the lab work, check from here. All right, good night, everyone. You want homework? Okay, no homework. เอาไหมเอา homework เอาฝัน Okay, you finish this one? Okay. Okay, the homework is not that hard. Okay, a little bit. Hả? Homework. Okay. Let's see. Okay, do the same program here. Some arguments. Okay. Okay. But what I want you to check, okay, is that number one, okay, we plan to execute this one. Okay, let's check first whether this one is executable.